Coming to you today at 422 North Brook Drive in Centreville, Maryland, I wanted to showcase this gorgeous colonial as we have just under 4,000 square feet of living space. We were built in 2017 and we are anything but ordinary. Fully loaded with upgrades. As I give you a quick tour of the main level, you're gonna notice throughout that we have bonus features as well as pristine condition, such as this gorgeous bump out sunroom behind me here. We're bringing in loads of natural light and we have great accents with the farmhouse decor, plus you'll see hints of that beautiful rich blue throughout the main level. The kitchen itself is an entertainer's dream with huge center island and granite countertops. Plus we have gas in the home with a cozy gas fireplace in the living room, as well as a gas range stove. Besides the eat-in area here, because we have an open floor plan, we also have a front formal dining room space, and we're nestled on a corner towards the rear of the community across from the wooded lots with a gorgeous covered front porch. This home is sure to stand out on your search list, so I would definitely bookmark it and make sure you come take your tour of 422 North Brook Drive in Centreville, Maryland.